Hi everybody. I'm going to do a flip and drag on this little canvas. It is, here's the thing from it, 4 by 12 inches. It's Artist Loft. It's the level 1 canvas, so it does have back staples, but so what? They don't have the size in the other levels of canvas. I wish they did. I'm going to do greens today. I have Artist Loft Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Aqua Green, Artist Loft Turquoise mixed with iridescent medium, and Artist Loft Green Yellow. And my little 1 ounce cup to pour. So let me put some gloves on. I've been, on some of my videos now, I'm adding in pictures at the end. If you are sticking around to watch that end, is it helpful? I'm hoping it is. Alright, so this is, and I've been putting a picture of the jug of this house paint that I use, which can only, to my knowledge, be found at Menards, which is a Midwestern US store. But there's a million brands of house paint out there. And it sounds, the feedback I get is that they all pretty much kind of work the same. I've used Benjamin Moore, and that worked just fine. I've had people say even Walmart's brand works. So don't get too caught up on trying to find this brand. And I think I said at the very beginning, the reason, like the very beginning of my videos, not this particular video, but years ago, I bought it because it has a twist off. It's a plastic can with a twist off lid. And that is for reals the reason why I bought it. I had actually never, I paint my house a lot. Hang on, I'm gonna clean up the inside of this lid. This is gunky. I paint the inside of my house a lot, but Dutch Boy is one brand I've never actually used to paint my house with. I did use their ceiling paint, and I actually did not like it at all. But I really like it for this painting. But as a ceiling paint, I thought it was fairly thin. Not like the coverage it gave. I'm going to torch out my super-powered torch now. Taking the lids off. Oh, so my new show that I'm binging is called The Imposters. It's on Netflix, but originally it was on Bravo, which I don't even think I have that channel. But there's only 2 seasons. I'm almost through with the first, and I love it. And I'm really sad that it's canceled, which is probably why Netflix has it, but to my knowledge that I have Googled, there does not seem to be any indication that there will be a further season. But it's kind of like a funny drama-y show. I like it. Lighthearted. I realized I was probably pouring that outside of your vision. So I've got, I guess this is, I have 3/4 of a tablespoon, so not much at all. colors. So once I tilt, and then you'll see when I torch again, I'm going to have a lot of little tiny cells. And that's when I will go back in with... Actually, that wasn't as bad as I thought. But I'm going to go back in. I wish these had softer edges, like more rounded. They're so sharp. I guess I could put tape around it. It's kind of boring. It's pretty, not enough contrast. Trying to think what to add. Because here, well, obviously I swirled it all together, which... And this is Payne's Gray and Prussian Blue. The only part I like is this part right here. Slowly, slowly tilting it. Seeing how far I can stretch that out. Without that overtaking it. I guess I could keep pushing. I don't like this. Trying to decide what to keep, what to trash. All of it, none of it. Alrighty. Think I got it. Think I like it. I am most likely going to scrape this or paint over it. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. But I may let it dry on here because another layer on these thinner canvases might be good. But, I don't know. thinking of is toothpaste. I don't know. You guys will have to wait till tomorrow to see what I do. I do not know what I'm going to do. But I will give you some close-ups of it. See, that right there is the only thing I like. So maybe I should just take a picture of that and forget the rest. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see what I'll do with this. Bye.